We have our second speaker online is available now. So please, Mr. Michel, are you there?
Yes, I'm there. Do you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you very well.
Okay, I try, but I think that my camera is not working. I don't know why. I have a lot of problem today. Then, thank you for your patience because it was very hard to connect.
I would love to have you, so it's our pleasure. So
Okay,
I will
thank you
leave
very
the
much.
floor for you to share your screen, and if you're ready,
Okay,
you can
now,
carry on at that point.
okay, then to
Yes.
share my screen now. Where is to share the screen? Okay, sorry for that.
You can
Okay,
see the green
sharing
button on the
screen
top.
here.
Yeah.
Okay, here. This is my text. Okay, okay. Do you see my screen
Yes,
now?
we can see it.
Okay, 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 okay. Then, yeah, the point is concerning then satellite communication for oil and gas and mainly for rigs, because in fact, oil and gas platforms are in general in very hard to reach places where it's not easy to get fiber or radio link, depending on the distance from the coast. And it's where satellite can play a very important role. Historically, in fact, satellite communications were in fact limited, but now, in fact, we can reach higher and higher speeds. And this is the point now, is that in fact now, thanks to LEO constellation, we can reach hundreds of megabit per second. And this is something that is very important for oil and gas industry because they are using more and more very sophisticated technology that needs to have very high connection, high speed connection, especially camera image analysis. They have different kind of cameras, some with very high resolutions that needs, in fact, to have a very high bandwidth. They need also to have mobility and also some flexibility because they have barges also going from the coast to the rig, and they need also to have connectivity. And once again, satellite connectivity is playing also important role. And last but not least, of course, cost is also a parameter, even for oil and gas industry. If they seems to be very rich, they are always trying to get the best price. And it's why we have to be also very efficient. The last point is also concerning, in fact, security, because security is also a very high concern for them. Then there are different points in terms of security. Security is also the fact that in fact, to make the installation and the equipment themselves must be very safe in terms of lightning, for example, because of course you can have very big, very dangerous effect. The availability must be very high because they need to have very high availability, something like 99.9 and even more availability. This is also a question of security. And then now, okay, cyber security is also very high concern because you cannot imagine that a platform can be hacked. This could be a real drama in terms of once again security for the personnel and everything. And last but not least, nowadays, due to the application, the very high-speed application, latency is also a criterion that is gaining more and more importance. Then it's why, as neXat, we develop a solution that we called fiber in the sky that is very efficient, that we can reach 200 by 200 to 1 gig by 1 gig guaranteed. And this is, of course, it's not a secret. It's with the constellation that it's nowadays available everywhere. I'm speaking about Starlink, and then we are working with a tier one of Starlink located in the US. And we developed this product together in order to get, and together, of course, with Starlink also, in order to tune all the elements in order to get the highest possible speed. In this kind of service, there is no cap in terms of data, limit of data. The latency is low, is the traditional latency you can get with Starlink, then 25 to 80 milliseconds. It's available everywhere Starlink is authorized. It's very high availability. We guarantee 99.9%. We provide security, encryption, VPN, and we can also provide layer 2 or layer 3, depending on the needs of connectivity. That's okay. Okay, that's mainly my point. If there is any question about that, of course, I'm very happy to answer any question the audience can have.
Thank you for the presentation. And sure, please, if you have any questions from the audience, please feel free to drop them in the chats. We will answer them toward the end of the webinar. Thank you again, Michel, for this amazing presentation.